This video will help you select the best, most active, and most effective botanical extracts for your anti-aging cosmetics. Take the guesswork out of selecting your extracts with some simple steps that will help ensure that the extracts in your products actually work. A key understanding in selecting extracts that work is understanding and avoiding denatured extracts. Denaturing or killing is deactivating or neutralizing any of the biological and critically important plant properties, thus rendering your extract mostly useless for anti-aging products. This is a key property you must look for when selecting your extracts. Avoid extracts that have been denatured. Avoid extracts that have been exposed to high heat or over 106 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, to the point where denaturization occurs. This can happen at any stage from harvesting to grinding prior to extraction to the solution used for extraction. Use extracts that have retained their bioactive and biological properties. These are key properties for anti-aging products such as proteins, enzymes, peptides, carbohydrates, etc. Select products made with raw ingredients. Raw ingredients after harvesting aren't exposed to high temperatures. They are typically air-dried and retain their bioactive properties. Organic plants are grown in healthy, living soil that is similar to nature. This produces safer, healthier plant material. Organic crops haven't been exposed to dangerous chemicals, strong fertilizers, herbicides, or pesticides. Use extracts that use a cold process like maceration, which is typically done at room temperature, or digestion, which uses gentle heat under 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Select solvents that don't denature the plant material and extract the desired plant materials such as oils, proteins, enzymes, vitamins and minerals, along with other bioactive properties. Avoid using products made with alcohol, which denatures the botanical properties. Consumers don't want alcohol in their creams, lotions, and serums. Water is the best solvent for botanical extracts. It is the best solvent in the universe because of its unique properties. Plant cells will let water pass through their membranes, extracting more bioactive properties than any other solution. Water is safe, natural, and highly effective, giving you the most bioactive compounds for your formulas. Water also extracts water-soluble vitamins B and C. Research the extract you use. Find studies that confirm that the extracts you have chosen have the ability to work. What benefits are you seeking? Do you want anti-aging properties, elastin, collagen, inflammation, antioxidant, enzymes, peptides, psoriasis, eczema, skin cancer, natural vitamins and minerals? Should you select liquid or powdered extracts? If you use powdered extracts, find out how the powdered extract is made. Many companies use alcohol in the process. If this is the case, you must list this on your cosmetic ingredients. Most powdered extracts are first extracted with high temperatures, then heat dried well past the denaturization point of 106 degrees. Liquid extracts are the best extracts to use for anti-aging cosmetics. If a cold process or gentle heat is used for the extraction process, the extract will retain their bioactive properties. Your products will benefit from the known and unknown bioactive properties. This depends on each manufacturer. The key to maximizing all the key plant compounds is to achieve full extraction of all the vital or sought-after compounds. If too strong, the solution will become saturated, like too much sugar in a glass, or not enough milk in your cereal. The ideal strength is when the solvent has extracted all the compounds with only the very fibrous cellulose and hemicellulose remaining. Lastly, find a brand that has a good story. One where every step of the process avoids denaturization with the maximum bioactive properties for your anti-aging cosmetics.